Good afternoon, Vandalyn Smith here, coming to you live from Birmingham, Alabama. And I wanted to talk in this video a few minutes about running Facebook ads and how simple it is to set up a $5 a day ad to generate more sales leads and customers for your business. So I want to just go through a simple process, walk you through the simple step process of how you can set up a simple engagement ad to get people to um, comment on your post, and you'll have people to reach out to talk to about your business. Now, this works because I am not the type of person that likes to prospect people inside of their inbox. And if you're one of those people that don't like to uh, message people randomly on Facebook, then this is a good way to get your information out in front of people and get people to raise their hand and say, yes, that I'm interested. And then you can follow up with them that way. So I'm going to walk you through a simple step on how to set up a post engagement ad that will help bring in interested customers and interested people for your business. So let's get started. So I'm on the Facebook Ads Manager, and right here in front of you on the screen, we are in the where you start building the ad. So we're under create. We're under create new campaign, and we're gonna choose the objective engagement.
It's okay.
And so we're gonna choose the objective engagement, and we're gonna hit continue. So right here, you want to name your ad set. So this is going to be a United States. I'm going to just target people in the United States, and my target audience is going to be women between the ages of 35 and 60. So I'm just going to put that for right now, just to name the ad set. And so here is where we create the audience. Who are we going to show this post to? Who are we going to target in this post? So you have several choices here. Now, if you've never run an ad before, you're going to have to go through here and you're going to have to create some parameters for what your target audience is or who you want to show this ad to. Because if you've never run an ad before, you're not going to have any custom audiences. And for simplicity purposes, I'm going to just go on and walk through how to set that up, and on a next video or on a later video, I'll come back and show you how the custom audiences work and how you can set those up as well. But for this ad or for this video purpose, I'm just going to show you how you can go through and target people. So my target audience is women that are between the ages of 35 and 60, and they are typically working a job. They they're moms, they're like people like Joyce Meyer, entrepreneurship. They're interested in starting a business. So I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna see. I've already selected the state United States, and so I'm gonna choose the age range, which I said the age range is gonna be 35 through 60. Age 35 to 60. They're all women. They speak the English language. And this is where we're going to include the detailed targeting. So right here, I'm going to add my demographic. So the first demographic, like I said, these people are typically, they're interested in people like Joyce Meyer. They are very spiritual people. They like Joyce Meyer Ministries, Oprah Winfrey. These are typically women who are into empowerment. Oprah Winfrey, Lisa Nichols. Uh-oh. And Yana popped up. She popped up as a suggestion, so I'm gonna include her. So when you start putting in the interest of the people that fit the audience that you want to serve, then this Facebook Ads Manager will show you suggestions. So you can use those suggestions for help as well. And so now I'm going to also add, click on narrow audience, and I'm going to also add people, because I want these people to be spiritual, but I also want them to be entrepreneurial minded. So I'm going to put in people like Robert Kiyosaki. He's the Rich Dad Poor Dad guy. So I figure if he likes if the people like Robert Kiyosaki, you know, they're interested in entrepreneurship, and then I'm going to actually put the entrepreneurship interest in here. I'm going to put some more people. Tony Robbins. See if he pops up. Tony Robbins. And I'm going to do Jim Rohn because he's a mindset guy. He's entrepreneurship mindset. And so I'm going to leave it at that. So right now I feel like my audience is pretty defined for what I want to show for these purposes. Like I said, I have the spiritual people up here, and then down here they are interested in Jim Rohn, Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, and entrepreneurship. And so now that I have my audience, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to edit my placements. Now, for this purpose, I do not want this ad to run anywhere but on Facebook. So I'm going to edit my placements. And I only want it to run in the Facebook news feed. So I'm going to uncheck all of these. I don't want my ad to run anywhere but on the Facebook news feed, and that includes the mobile as well as the desktop. Okay, and here now I'm scrolling down. You see we're on the budget and schedule. So now I want my budget, my daily budget is $5 a day. Like I said, you can run this ad for as little as $5 a day. And you see here on the right, it's telling you how many people are estimated to be reached with this ad. 430 to 1700, and then it's estimated saying that post engagement will be 18 to 110 people engaging on this post with this budget. So I have my ad set to run continuously starting today. So this means that it'll run until I shut it off. You actually have the option to set a start and end date if that's what you desire, but for this ad purpose, I'm going to run it continuously, and I'm going to monitor it and then turn it, tweak it as it runs. So this is telling me I'm not going to spend no more than $35 a week. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, this is where it gets down to. Okay, so this is my business page. So you have to have a Facebook fan page or a business page to run Facebook ads. So I'm gonna you have the option to select the post that you already have. And these are the posts that are already on your page. You can select the post that you already have, an existing post, or you can create a new page post. For this purpose, I'm going to create a new page post because I wanted to say something different, and I have not created a Facebook post for this ad. And so I'm going to actually create a new post right now to for this engagement post. So I'm gonna I guess I should have copied and pasted it, but I didn't. So you actually get to see me type this out. Edit to place for business. Would you be interested? If yes, I will reach to you. Uh-oh. And share the details. Okay, so that's my online, that's my post that I'm gonna use. So, and you know, you can add all this. You want, when you create your post, you want your post to look like a regular post. You don't want it to look like an ad. You want it to look like something that you would normally post on your regular social media profile, as to, you know, get people to, you know, be curious about what it is you have to say. So if you make it look like an ad, then people are typically gonna scroll over it. But you want your page post to be something, you want it want the post to be something that you would post on your normal page, something that you would just ask on a regular basis. You don't want it to look all salesy and, you know, all professional looking or whatever. So I just posted that right there, and so you can actually add the emojis to it. And you know, while I'm on my computer, I'm on my laptop, so I can't add the emojis from the phone. um but you can actually do the filling activity, and you can add things to it. And I'm just gonna say feeling curious, and so I'm gonna save unpublished post. Okay, so that's the post I'm gonna use. That's the post I'm gonna use. So now it's there showing that I'm using that post. So now I'm gonna hit, okay, and I should have added a photo to that. Let me go back. I forgot to add the photo to it. Let me edit and see if I can edit it. I don't think I can edit it. Let's see. I forgot to add a photo. Well, my suggestion is that you add a photo to this post so that you don't have to, because you want the people to be, like I said, you want people to be curious. But for this purpose, since I didn't add the photo, I'm just gonna let it run just like it is. I'm gonna set it up. But you know, typically, just like where you saw me creating the post, let me see if I can do it. Yeah, because I forgot to add the photo to it. Let's see if I can go back. I'm gonna go back. Let's see if it'll let me go back and post. It's not gonna let me go back. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let me add a photo to it. Let me go to the, I didn't really want to add. I wanted to use a photo that's on my page already. It should be. Let's see. Let's see if I can find a good picture. I don't like any of these pictures that I have, and I was gonna actually use a photo from my page. Let's see. Add photo, video. They keep popping up, so anyway, you get the gist of it. You know how to add photos to your page, but you're gonna add a photo so that you can get people to stop their scroll. And you want it to be something interesting on the photo, just to get people to stop scrolling on their page, and so you can catch their attention. But I wanted to show you that, you know, this can run for as it could be $5 a day. And then you're gonna click down here when you get through using the post. Let's see. Okay, I got it. And you got it all set up, and that's pretty much it. And I don't know why it won't let me confirm, but you confirm the ad. I guess because I got this, let me see. Now, there we go. I don't know if you can still see that, but you confirm the ad, and then it'll go to review. So that's the gist of setting up a simple Facebook page post engagement. And that ad is designed to get people to comment on your post they comment on your post, and then you're able to follow up with these people. You know, like I said, they've raised their hand and they've said that they're interested in whatever it is that you said in that post. So now you have people to talk to about your business without having to reach out to them. They've actually reached out to you because they responded to something that you posted on your page. So I hope this has helped you and gave you a little insight on how you can start running ads for your business. And look, if you would like assistance on setting up your Facebook ads or setting up um, automation for your business, reach out to me and I'll be willing to help you. We can have a conversation about how I can help you set up your ads for your business or set up automation for your business. You might need to, email set up, whatever it is that you need set up for your business to run online. Leave me a message below this video, or you can click the link and you can get more information, and I'll reach out to you and provide you with the details. This is Vandalyn Smith. I appreciate you watching this video and have a good evening.